Hello, hearty welcome to our Square Maths YouTube channel. This is your Santosh. So, those who are watching the video, the channel, the first time, please subscribe my channel and follow. Like if you feel good, and share to your near and dear friends. And it's the time for pair of linear equation two variables. So, previously I had done many chapters like this problems which are connected with CBSE and state boards for short answers and long answer type questions. Please look over. So let me go through the first one. Word problems plays very important role in board examinations and competitive examinations. So nothing but verbal problems. So the first one, when the digits of a two-digit number were reversed, its value increased by 27. If the sum of the digits is 11, find the two-digit number. So these are first verbal problem. So you should have the knowledge of linear equation two variables, also the linear equation one variable, nothing but simple equation. So we can expect mostly as 3 or 5 marks in state boards, CBSE and essay type questions also in state boards, and short answers. Next, coming to second one, when 1 and 3 are subtracted from the numerator and denominator respectively, a fraction reduces to 1 by 2. If 2 is subtracted from numerator and 3 is added to the denominator, it reduces to 1 by 3. Find the fraction. So we have to determine the fraction with the given conditions. So let the fraction be p by q. So like the two equations we are going to get from the two equations, and later we have to solve by appropriate methods, elimination method or substitution method. Next, coming to third one, the cost of 2 pens and 3 pencils is 48. The cost of 3 pens and a pencil is 44. By how much does the cost of 3 pens exceed the cost of 2 pens? Nothing but many of the students will go through the problem and they'll calculate the pencils and pens cost. But they are asking by how much does the cost of 3 pens exceeds, nothing but crosses, increases the cost of 2 pencils. That we have to check. Okay. So it's a basic level question, but don't get confused with the last two lines, the condition. Next, fourth one, the angles of a triangle are 2x minus y, 3x, sorry, first angle is 2x minus y degrees, next is x plus y degrees, and third is x degrees. The ratio of these angles is 16 is to 11 is to 9, then find the angles. So sometimes with the given data, a triangle also cannot be formed. So don't get confused. The sum of three angles should be 180 degrees. So if the data is not up to the mark, we can stop the problem and we can write the condition. Okay. So like this, ratio is also given and the three angles are given. With the given information, we have to determine the angles. Next, coming to the fifth one, Ramesh is 4 times as old as Kamlesh. After 4 years, Ramesh should be only thrice as old as Kamlesh. Find their present ages. So previously we gone through the numbers, fractions and angles. So like this various problems. Now this problem is connected to the ages on the persons. Okay. Ramesh and Kamlesh. So Ramesh is 4 times as old as Kamlesh. After 4 years, Ramesh would be only thrice as old as Kamlesh. Okay, find their present ages. Let the present age be A and B and proceed the problem. Two equations we are going to get. Next, solving, we are going to get their present ages. The sixth one, the sides of an equal triangle are 3x plus 2y centimeters, 5x plus 65 centimeters, and x plus y plus 3 centimeters, then find its perimeter. So perimeter means sum of all sides. Nothing but if you are going to determine only one side, then 3 times of the side of the given triangle is nothing but perimeter of equal triangle. So AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. From that we are going to get the condition. Next, seventh one, Rahul covered a distance of 50 kilometers in 1 hour on his scooter riding in the direction of the wind. On his return journey, he took 2.5 hours since he rode against the wind. Find the speed of the scooter without wind and also the speed of the wind. So this is a problem related to speed, nothing but the distance, speed and time. So you should have the knowledge of physical science also 7th and 8th grade, then only we can overcome this problem. So verbal problems plays very important role. So 7th and 8th are completely non-routine. So coming to 8th one, a boat covers a certain distance downstream in 5 hours, but it takes 11 hours to cover the same distance upstream. if the speed of the stream is 3 kilometers per hour, find the speed of the boat in still water. So nothing but this is a problem connected to boats and streams also, which plays important role in arithmetic. Okay, so apart from your pair of linear equation, two variables framing the equations, you should have the knowledge of distance, speed, and time, and also at the same time, you should have the knowledge of boats and streams. Then only we can overcome. So most important and various problems, verbal problems. Thank you very much.